So we start at 1500 feet, okay, and it's 16 degrees Celsius. If I increase by 1000 feet, right, it's going to decrease by 2 degrees Celsius. So this is going to be 14. Increase by another 1000. This decreases by 2 again. Another 1000, we decrease by 2 again. Okay, so eventually we're going to hit, right, 12,500 feet. Okay, so in order to get from 1,500 to 12,500, right, what we had to do was add 1,000, right? We're adding 1,011 times. Okay, so from here to go to here, I need to add 1,000, right, 11 times. Okay, that's the same thing as from going from 16, we're going to decrease by 2. So we're going to subtract, this is adding. We're going to decrease 2 11 times. Okay, so that will be 16 minus 22, right? And you'll end up getting minus 6 degrees Celsius. Okay, so if I were to graph this, right, very roughly, this is going to be my x and y. So this, I will make it so that this is the feet and this is the temperature. Okay, so we're going to start at 1500. So let's say this is 1500. Okay, and the y-axis, the temperature will be 16 degrees. So let's say it's something like this. Okay, this is the starting point, right? We're going to increase by 1000, so that's 2500. Then we have 3500, and so on all the way till 1000 or 12,500. We're going from 16, right? Increase by, or decrease actually. Sorry, this is decreasing by 2 degrees. So let's say we start here. Decrease by 2, decrease by 2, all the way until we decrease, right? We'll actually be below the graph at minus 6 here. Right? So what we're doing is at 1500, we're at 16 degrees Celsius. Okay, then we're at, right, 2,500 feet, which is 14 degrees Celsius. And then here, okay, so then really it's a line that goes straight down like this. And then eventually, okay, at this point, right, it's going to hit 6 degrees. So let's just move this up so it actually matches right here. Okay, so let's say this is our minus 6, right? At 1,000 or 12,500, it should be at minus 6 degrees. Okay, so we just keep going down like this. All right, and at what altitude will the temperature be at or below 0 degrees, right, Celsius? So there, right, we need to look back here. So it's going to be in between, right, 1,000 or 12,500 and 3,500 here. But looking back here, okay, what we need to notice is that at this point, we're at 10 degrees Celsius, right? If I were to subtract 10 degrees, I can get to 0 degrees, right? So then I know that I'm decreasing by increments of 2. So then if I subtract 2 times 5, right, it becomes 0 degrees Celsius, meaning I have to do 5 increments. Okay, so that means from here, I need to add 1,005 times. Okay, so doing so, I end up getting 9,500, right? So at 9,500, it will be 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, so that means anything that's 9,500 feet or above, right, will the temperature be below 0 degrees Celsius? Okay, so this is the danger zone.